Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole and today is World Plant Milk Day. In celebration, I am going to be sharing with you all a beautiful recipe. This recipe is a classic, so we're going to be making rice pudding, but instead of the traditional full cream milk as the base, we're going to be using two different types of plant-based milks. We are also going to be using my Thermocook here. It just makes it super easy. So there's just a few ingredients. Let's get to it. For the ingredients, we have arborio rice, I have vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, caster sugar. For the plant-based milks, just choose your favorite. I've got a combination of soy milk and oat milk going on just because that's what's in our fridge. I like to drink the soy, my husband likes to drink the oat. So I'll just take you through now where to go on the Thermocook. It's such a handy machine, literally like your best friend, and the digital screen makes it super easy and user-friendly as well. So I found this one under desserts. Just click on that and I was scrolling through, saw perfect rice pudding, sounds pretty good to me. Click that one. Okay, perfect. So now it has all of the ingredients. Obviously where it says full cream milk, we're just subbing that out. It just says to put everything in the bowl and then it already presets all of the different temperature and speed for you. So you literally just have to place it in, put the lid back on, and then we set and forget. So I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty good to me. I feel like this perfect rice pudding sooner rather than later. So let's go. Rice, sugar, vanilla, soy milk, and oat milk. So the lid goes back on. Then it's literally as simple as pressing this make button here. So you press the go button and then we'll wait. We literally will hear that beautiful sound of the ding, ding, it's ready in 50 minutes. Plant-based milk has just been so popular, particularly over the last decade. I just feel like it's really exploded and it just continues to evolve. There are so many different plant-based milks to choose from these days. Some of the most popular being obviously the soy, the oat, you've got cashew, you can get macadamia, you can get rice. It's just like, you name it. I even saw a recipe for potato milk the other day. I was like, wow, okay, that's different. Love to try it though. Plant-based milks are also really fantastic if you have a specific dietary need. They are lactose-free, dairy-free, and vegan. If you do make this recipe with a different plant-based milk, let me know which one you go with. I'd love to hear feedback as to how it tastes and how it turns out. Gotta love that sound. All right, let's check this out. And you may have noticed that my twins here have decided to make a guest appearance. So I've got Ivy here and Remy over here. All right, I'm excited. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Smells good. All right, I'm just gonna give it a stir. Looks good. Check it out. See that steam coming off the spoon? Looks awesome. Smells so beautiful. Oh, it's got like a really sweet sense to it and it looks super creamy. I'm so excited to eat it. Now, some people like their rice pudding cold, but I like mine hot. So I'm gonna get straight into it. Straight out of our beautiful Thermocook here. I'm just gonna pour it out. Yum. Now this would taste absolutely beautiful and perfect as it is, but I'm just going to finish mine here with just the tiniest bit of nutmeg and cinnamon. The spices also give it a really nice festive note, so it's really great for special times of the year and special occasions as well. All right, I'm gonna get into it. Oh, looks so good. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy. The combination of the two plant milks are absolutely incredible. I love how creamy it is and you get the two different flavors. I actually prefer this than the traditional full cream milk. This tastes way better. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today and happy World Plant Milk Day, super special day. And if you do want a Thermocook yourself, I have a link in the description box. Check it out, you'll get a discount. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys, see you next time. Bye.